must have heard a lot about India growth story in the last few years. But why exactly India is becoming such a strong investment opportunity? Hi, I am Kalpit Dave, your NRI financial planner. With this channel, I simplify the complex financial topics and help NRIs take the smarter investment decisions. Now, there are few sectors where Government of India is focusing at the moment. Few of them are defense, space, and talk of the town, AI. Defense, in the recent budget, government has given a lot of allocation towards the defense manufacturing. 2023-24 में the total production amount of defense was 150,000 crore, out of which 23,000 crore itself was an export. And given the current geopolitical situation, the defense is only going to grow from here. So, India has positioned itself in such a way wherein we are going to become the global player for the defense manufacturing. The countries like Israel, Russia have already given their manufacturing orders to the Indian companies. एक और सेक्टर जहाँ पे हम सबको गर्व होना चाहिए, that is space technology. ISRO has made us feel proud once again by launching one of the heaviest satellite of the world, of the US company. Now, ISRO itself was known as Uber of space because since its inception, it has launched approximately 400 plus satellites in the orbit. In the year 2023, government has liberalized the policy regarding space, which is known as in space. Because of this policy, we have started attracting global investment and partnership with the countries like the USA, Spain, Japan, Russia, and to an extent Europe also. Because these countries are coming to India, the opportunity for the companies operating in the space technology, space manufacturing, are going to grow from here. So recently in the February 2026, India has held AI Summit. You must have heard of it. So it is known as AI Impact Summit. And the summit has issued the impact of the summit also. They have issued the reports on its website. They have released the documents saying that what all things have happened, what all developments have happened during this summit. Because we must have heard pros and cons about this summit from the different persons. We know, summit is in the news for different reasons. But let me show you what are the better things that has happened. Almost all the countries, approximately 91 countries participated during this summit, and there were few major discussions that has happened. We all know कि AI में कितना risk है, to what extent AI can go, and it is very much important for developing the guideline and the use of AI. India has taken an initiative for that. And to start with, we are going to develop a platform known as Maitri. India is going to create the base of that platform, and then that platform will be such wherein any country, anyone who wants to use it can use it, make changes, and that platform will be adaptable to the requirement of that particular country. So this is more like the start, or we can say the icebreaker for the Indian AI industry. So far till last year, AI के लिए इंडिया में इतना ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट या कंपनी हमारे पास नहीं थी, इतना इनोवेशन नहीं था. But because of this summit, the AI is going to take up from here. So these are the current burning, or I would say the hot sectors wherein we should invest, or we should definitely keep an eye on, because India is going to ride on these sectors and the world needs these three sectors very badly. Apart from this, there are many other sectors such as fintech. You must have heard of Gift City. Maybe we will try to cover up the Gift City very much in detail in the next video. But you as an NRI, you should definitely take exposure in the Indian equity. Generally come across few of my clients wherein when I normally talk to them, they say that, okay, I've never invested in India, or I've never taken exposure in India. There could be multiple reasons for that. But it is your time to take the exposure in Indian equity, because from here it is going to grow. India is going to grow, and it is your time to take the participation in the India growth story. So, for more such insights and to be better with your finances, subscribe to my channel.